In this presentation, you are going to learn about exploring geometry and the measurement of angles using the SMARTboard. If you look at the next page that I have set up here, it says raise lines and line segments. And what you can do with this, I found all these pictures here in this gallery. You could type in geometry, you could simply go to the gallery sampler and click on mathematics. You can get a whole bunch of different pictures and interactive media. This first one is just teaching the kids to identify raised lines and line segments in the real world. So here we have a ruler, which would be considered a line segment, of course, and then this pencil, which could be a ray, and then this would be a line. You can even link it so that you have sound attached to it, so if the kids were to come up to the SMARTboard, they could click on it and hear that this ruler was actually a line segment, which means they could check their understanding. So that's one way to use the SMARTboard in order to begin introducing concepts of geometry. If you look at the next slide, this one's pretty neat. The kids are actually going to measure angles, and so you can let me start this one over. It actually had already been started. Once you press start, the angle starts to move a little bit, and you can press stop whenever you want, and you could zoom in to see what the actual measurement is of this, using this protractor, what this angle is, and then you would simply type it in, and then either click acute or obtuse, and you can even check your understanding, and then it would say correct or incorrect. So there's a lot of different type media that you can also include here, and that was found right here in this gallery, simply by searching. And then if you look at, this is just another sample page of interactive media where the kids can actually click and drag, and they're able to use this protractor to see what the actual measurement is. Oftentimes kids get confused with both sets of numbers here, so they're able to see, okay, if I start from this side, it's starting from the 0, which means as I move it, it's getting bigger and bigger. So they're able to really use this interactive media in order to better their understanding in terms of measuring angles. There's a lot more to it. This is just a glimpse of what I will be teaching in this presentation.